think it's an immense amount of planning. An engineer by trade, it's definitely something we really focus on. We try and account for every single thing we can. We make a plan, we discuss it with all the stakeholders. So that's really bringing it down to the people who have to put it together and who have to make it work in the end, and making sure that they feel comfortable with the level we've gotten to on our floor, that they know it's going to work when we put it all together. Getting that stakeholder buy-off really makes all of us engineers feel confident that we've done everything we possibly can to make sure the solution is going to work on their floor. The EV space is an incredibly exciting place to be an engineer right now. It doesn't seem to have settled in any specific direction. We say EV as an electric vehicle, so different vehicles have different needs. We looked at someone like Lion, who's really producing a battery for a bus, has different needs than someone who's producing an electric vehicle who's trying to get the maximum range, and that really dictates how the manufacturing process is going to go. Definitely working with customers on heavier duty items where weight isn't as important. So that creates different constraints on manufacturing processes, and seeing the space evolve and having so much freedom to work with everyone is really exciting. It's a great time to be an engineer inside of this space, and hopefully it doesn't stop at vehicles and we can start to talk about how to improve energy as a whole and how automation can help bring that to life faster.